In this video, I will show you how to check if your JD.com or JD Shopping app order has been shipped after a successful placement of order from any store in JD.com. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your JD Shopping app. So have you opened up your JD Shopping app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate a particular order that you want to track in JD.com without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. The next thing I'm going to do right here for you to track your order shipment, go ahead and click on here from your chat box right here. And it's going to take you right here. And then the next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on here to see your items detail. And you have everything right here. So at this point here, if an order has been shipped, it's going to be indicate right here with the box. All you have to do is simply click on here to check on the details about the item. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.